So you've signed up for a hosting package from us. It can be a reseller package, it can be shared hosting package, it can be a VPS. But then when you try to access your website, for example, I say https://cletus.com, already I'm met with this message which says your connection is not private. So think of it in this way: everyone will be trying to visit cletus.com will see this error message which says this connection is not private, and it will tell people that credit cards, their credit information, their passwords, and etc., they are not safe being left on cletus.com. So think of it in this way: if you are planning on reselling maybe web hosting or planning on selling even anything on your website, people are going to be very hesitant purchasing something on your website because your connection is secure. We want to get rid of this message so that we can use an SSL connection or a secure connection. For example, if I am to visit makuruwan.com, you can see that already we have got this connection is secure link. So it shows that even if I am to sell anything on makuruwan.com, then this is secure. You can see this with all my website. They've got this lock which says connection is secure. So we also want to make this for cletus.com. So to do this, you need to log into cpanel. And now, as you can see, the primary domain cletus.com, there is an error which says the certificate has the following areas. You have no valid SSL certificate configured for this domain. So I'll click on SSL/TLS status. If I click this checkbox to select all these domains, and then I click run auto SSL, it says success, the auto SSL is completed. Now you can see that as soon as it is completed, it will reload the page and it will say auto SSL validated. Now if I come back to my website and then I reload, now you can see we have got a connection is secure. So we no longer have that error, but we still have a problem. If I visit cletus.com, if I remove HTTPS and I visit cletus.com, still I'm getting this not secure error, even though I have a valid SSL certificate. Now, this is because when someone visits cletus.com, then the browser is interpreting that you are trying to visit the unsecure link of it. In other words, you are trying to visit http://cletus.com. Now, we want to force HTTPS redirect so that even when someone types in cletus.com, right, instead of visiting http://cletus.com, it will redirect them to HTTPS. So I'll come back to my cpanel and then I'll search for domains. Now this is the only domain inside this cpanel, and then I will check on force HTTPS redirect. I will have to turn this on, and as soon as I turn this on, if I now come back to cletus.com and then I hit enter, or you can just reload. Now, as you can see, it redirects me to HTTPS. I can do it again, remove this S, try to visit HTTP again, press enter, just to show you that it's working. And you can see it's always redirect me to HTTPS. So now all requests made to HTTP, which is the unsecure connection, will be redirected to HTTPS. And since we now have a valid SSL certificate, we now retain a connection is secure message. So that is how you force HTTPS on your websites after running auto SSL.